Yes.
Okay, show the camera what you're about to buy. This one. Today, Gray will do the. This is your camera.
Today we're
back to school
challenge like Mila and Dinosaur family.
That's right. Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna tell you the rules because you guys don't know the rules. I haven't told it to you before. Do you wanna know my name? It is. If it's hard for you to say G1 Gray, then you just call me Gray.
Let's go, Gray.
Okay, Mom. Oh my gosh. Here we are. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Yes.
You can see where you're walking.
Okay. I'm shy though.
What should we buy first?
Lunchbox.
Okay.
Look guys, they like this. Ooh. Same, I think it's like. Ooh, wow, guys, look. Oh my gosh, wow. This is perfect. Do you think it's perfect, guys? Do you think it's perfect?
No, only one. You only need 3 notebooks nga eh. That's 6 notebooks. The other one is cute. No, the third one. Whatever you like.
Whatever I like.
No, that's cute.
Maybe this.
That one, not cinnamon roll. This one is cute. Don't you think? Which one do you like? Which one? Choose one. This one? Okay. What's the next one?
The next one is gonna be. Okay.
This. No, this. Okay. Should be Mongol, teacher said.
I don't know what Mongol is.
It's a brand. Just find the pencil for there. On your right. There. Oh. Oh. Here. Leave it there, then check. There. Find Mongol. It says Mongol. On your left. Gray, on your left. There. Mongol. There, left. No, Gray, left. There. Yeah, you can buy that with a sharpener. You can buy the one with the sharpener. Don't you think? Very good. Next, what's the next one?
Crayon, 16 colors.
Okay, crayon 16 only. 16. There.
So you gotta choose one. One.
Yeah. Just one. 16 colors. Then buy a crayon case. It already says. Buy the pouch for the colors. There, oh. 16. Choose the 16. Just one. Purple or pink? There, oh. Next.
Pad paper. I don't know what's a pad paper.
Okay, come on. I'll teach you. Push her.
Oh my god.
Oh, stop. They also have a lunchbox here. Great. They also have a lunchbox.
I know, but we already have a lunchbox.
Pad paper. Kuya will show you. Oh, there. Get it. What did I say? What did I say? Thank you. Next. What's next? One long red clear book. Saan yung clear book? Oh, yeah. Kuya will help you. Clear book. Go. 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 Follow Kuya. There. Walk. Go over there. Go. Go. Go there. Yeah. Go out. Go out. Yeah. Come out. Ayan. Yes. That one. No, that one. What do you say? Thank you. Next. 4 short brown envelopes. Oh, yeah, there. Envelopes. Okay. Go get. 4 brown envelopes. Not that one. Maybe this.
Yes.
Oh, it's so big. You only need ito. Short one.
Yes, short.
Yeah, we can buy 20 pieces.
One.
Oh, they have 5. How much is it? How much? Oh, just buy that one. It's cheaper pa eh. Oh, this one.
One small apple.
This one. Clay. Okay, find it. Find it. Clay, glue, scissor. Yeah, glue. There. Glue. Yeah. Then, scissors. Scissors, there, scissors. Right there. Or there for kids. There. Oh, you like this one, a pink one? Yeah, get it. I think this one is sharp. It has a cover, but it's sharp inside. Yeah, and then the last one is clay. There, find the clay. Clay. Come on, find it. Find it though. Find it. You know how what it looks like. Find the clay. Find the clay. You know how it looks like. I think we should go inside. Come on. How much is it though? $1.99. Is that what we need? The air dry clay? Okay. What's the last one? Here. Small alcohol and wipes. Okay, let's go. Find the alcohol and wipes. You know how it looks like.
Forget about the stove.
Oh yeah, my soap. Good job. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, alcohol and soap. I mean tea and wipes. Go to the cashier. Go.
I'm a lucky kid. Cashier one. Let's go to cashier one.
Cashier 1. Oh, go, go.
And we are the first one.
Hello.
No,
Oh, go.
don't sell my hat.
No, it's mine. Where's your hat? Oh, go, pay na. Should we? Wait, I'll get it. After ate, punch all three.
Yes. Oh
Yeah,
my
thank
god.
you.
I'm literally
Literally what? Paying.
How many? Oh wow. It's a bit lot.
Gray.
Yeah.
14.7. Naiwan sa kotse.
I'm gonna use Dorian beyond.
Gay, gay.
Yay!
Oh, you get it. Okay. What did you say? What did you say? It should be part of the shopping. You have to carry what you bought. Oh, she's eating. Thank you. You tired? Is it yummy? Good? Is it good? Yummy? Wow. Are you tired doing the back to school shopping? Huh? What is it?